So what's up you people from YouTube? It's Ayush from Ayush Motor Vlog and good morning from Mcleodganj. If you're watching this, today is day 4th. We are gonna leave for Chandigarh soon and this beautiful journey has come to an end almost. So it's quite sad to leave, but we have to go. We have to leave. Well, the journey was awesome. These 4 days were very good. The tour was really very well, but so all good things has come to an end, so this journey has to be so. Well, I will try to capture as much as footage as possible today, and today we are gonna be visiting Kangra fort. Most probably, I don't know, we are gonna visit, but it is on the plan. So let's see how it all goes. Okay, so see you at the Kangra fort, hopefully. So what's up people, if you're watching this right now, we are at Kangra fort in Kangra and the views from here are seriously mesmerizing. I mean, it's a very old fort, must be from Mughal era or something, but it is really very good, really very nice, and the views are very very nice. So without wasting any time and chit chatting, I will just show you how it looks. finally the trip has ended. The 4 lovely days of this beautiful journey we have come to an end, and I'm back home at Chandigarh. It was such a great experience, you know, spending these 4 trips away from the city into a life which can, bring happiness as well as health. I really enjoyed it, and my family also really enjoyed it. And I hope you all had a, great time watching all this. If you liked it, then press that like button, subscribe to my channel, and definitely comment down the comment box. Well, I'm really very tired, so I'm not able to speak much. So I'm ending this video right now, and I hope to make more in the future. So I hope you all had a great time. So you all people have a nice time. I will see you soon.